Mintirang ba kajala konrad ke sangma ha kasing ublay ulalay banjungo bon tili ba ki Jaka Jngohkai ki badon ha Southwest Khasils ba kanthop nadu ka maurang lang viewpoint maurudo asnong maulongwer bat kumju ha khluin ka badon ha jaran jakram hakani ke jingle jurep ladan lang ru dawa melie ka maukrwat ba renik lingdo kumju menteri katanat boarding James ke sangma ka deputy commissioner ka district kong ailalu SP ba MBCM bat ki officer ha kitanat paper.
Yeah. So this is an ideal place for that because the land is there.
Yeah.
So also we think.
I mean the point is that you see, once a tourist comes, they should get activities to go around. So there should be something to do. Like for example, we keep telling. What is the plan for this?
So this is under one integrated convergence project. So here the children's spot from the Vega and then the children's swimming pool down here.
Habakran hadian ka jingjurep Mintirang ba ul ai ka Jingiaroh ya ka jingitanat ki Jaka Jngohkai perthai ki badon ha ka te ka thain bat ukular ru ba nakaliang ka sarkar kan pej bat kan tiu shu ya ki te ki Jaka Jngohkai perthai ulo ong ru ba ka jingwan jungu kolong banyu I hi ya ki ai jinon kam ban pinitrat shu ya ki nalor ba ka mariang ka balabyang lupa ulakran ru halor ka jingdon kam man penbahano ya ka surok ka bapen yeso na du mau pulang weiloi bat kiwe ki badon kam.
I'm on a visit to Makurwat, to the district also as a whole, and really the purpose of the visit is to see some of the tourism sites which my department as tourism minister also, my department will be taking up in the next couple of years, and the project design, everything is taking place as we speak. So I thought that I'll come and just see those locations so that I'll be in a better position also to add to whatever I can and contribute to the overall idea. The consultants have already been finalized and they're already preparing a master plan for this entire Southwest Khasi Hills district circuit from the tourism point of view. Number two, of course, is also to see the overall road infrastructure. Roads are in a bad condition in certain parts of the entire route to Makurwat. We have just last week finalized that we will be taking up the stretch from Mauplang to Veloi on a systematic maintenance program, which is a new program that we have started this year. So under that program, this stretch of Mauplang to Veloi will be taken up, and also other areas wherever this required that maintenance has to be done. Once the rainy season is over, then we'll be taking up other maintenance works also. So these were the main two reasons of my visit today. I will not be able to visit that today, but already from the government side, we have already finalized, we have cleared, all the revised estimates have been cleared, and that also very shortly the work will start, and we'll be able to complete it very shortly. That is definitely part of the agenda. The Deputy Commissioner and the MLA have been always in touch with me regarding this, and from our side we have cleared all the necessary things, and I think very soon it will be completed.
Just mentioned that it has been decided by the government to improve the road from Mauplang to Veloi, and I'm very happy to remind that then we will be getting a very good road from Shillong to Makurwat itself, because Veloi to Makurwat there was a sanction from the government which has already sanctioned to improve this road. So hopefully in the very near future, I mean say in this walking season itself, Veloi to Makurwat road will be good. So if that road itself from Mauplang to Veloi will come, then we will enjoy a good road throughout this road from Shillong to Makurwat. So that's very much I'm happy as an MLA of Makurwat.